Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming permissions and freeing minimal resources so the app runs smoothly. Once done, open Camera 360 and sign in or continue as guest. This unlocks cloud features if needed. Make sure camera and microphone access are allowed in settings, and confirm you have at least 20% battery and 300 MB free storage so captures don't fail. Tap photo to begin standard shots or live for streaming. This is the first actionable step to get you shooting immediately. Next, choose the lens and core settings that fit your shot. Once the lens is selected, wide, portrait, or macro, enable HDR for high-contrast scenes and turn on the grid and level to keep horizons straight. Tap the screen to lock exposure and focus. If you want control, open manual settings to set ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. Finally, preview filters and beauty sliders. These let you refine tone and skin smoothing before you press the shutter. To finish, capture using the on-screen shutter or press a volume button. Hold for burst shots or use the panorama drag gesture when available. Once you shoot, tap Gallery to review, use built-in edits for crop and color, then export at the resolution you need. If images are blurred, the app crashes, or saving fails, restart Camera 360, clear the app cache in settings, and if necessary, reinstall. Also double-check camera and storage permissions. That usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.